So it's really just trying to find that shape language of my characters are the first thing that I'm just trying to identify. And it comes down to just my idea, which is my principles, which I always go through story, and then it goes to gesture, and then design, and then there's form, and then there's details. All right, so those are the things that I go through. You're never going to get a good gesture if you don't know what the story is. So I have to know my story. I got to know that, again, my story is that this guy is sort of like sitting and is just kind of bored. So I got this guy kind of like sitting through here and is just kind of bored sitting at this table, and his legs are out and is just kind of doing something like that. So now, because I understand maybe the story, I can sort of like inform the gesture, from there. Then I can start worrying about all the connections. How does this arm really connect behind there? How does this arm connect up through here? What can I start, really, building up with this guy's head and the form's construction? Where's his stomach as it starts to wrap around through my form? And these are things, how does that leg work? How does that knee work? Where's the ground plane? And so then I can start to build up the rest of my character, but it all had to start with that story first. That was the most important thing.